Examples of ethical issues in business. 1. Discrimination. Discrimination is a significant ethical issue in business. Discrimination can occur in various forms, such as age, race, gender, religion, and disability. When companies engage in discriminatory practices, they violate the rights of their employees and customers. Discrimination can also lead to legal action and damage to the company's reputation. For example, a company that discriminates against employees based on their gender can face legal action and negative publicity. 2. Fraud. Fraud is another common ethical issue in business. Fraud can take many forms, such as embezzlement, falsifying financial statements, and insider trading. Fraudulent practices can lead to significant financial losses for the company and its stakeholders. Companies that engage in fraudulent activities can also face legal action and damage to their reputation. For example, a company that falsifies its financial statements to mislead investors can face legal action and financial penalties. 3. Environmental damage. Environmental damage is another ethical issue that can arise in business. Companies that engage in practices that harm the environment violate their social responsibility and can face legal action. For example, a company that pollutes the environment with toxic waste can face fines and damage to its reputation. Number 4. Intellectual property theft. Intellectual property theft is a significant ethical issue in business. Companies that steal or misuse another company's intellectual property violate the law and ethical principles. Intellectual property theft can include patent infringement, trademark infringement, and copyright infringement. Companies that engage in intellectual property theft can face legal action and damage to their reputation. For example, a company that uses another company's patented technology without permission can face legal action and financial penalties. 5. Unfair labor practices. Unfair labor practices are another ethical issue in business. Companies that engage in unfair labor practices violate the rights of their employees and can face legal action. Unfair labor practices can include paying below minimum wage, denying overtime pay, and preventing employees from organizing. Companies that engage in unfair labor practices can also damage their reputation and lose customers. For example, a company that pays below minimum wage and denies overtime pay can face legal action and negative publicity.